So before coming here, my arm was pretty bad. I hit a roadblock in progress that I shouldn't have been hitting at that time, and yeah, I definitely had a lot of issues turning my arm up and down, bending my wrist all the way to the front. This is my fourth therapy office, so I went through a couple. I went to three, and probably took 3 months after my surgery before I started here, and I wish I started earlier. Before coming, I was definitely missing out on the one-on-one, hands-on therapy. I was at other places that might have been like an assembly line, or they just didn't spend enough time with me, and here Wong spends a great amount of time. Since coming here, it's been like the best decision I've made ever since having my car accident and getting my injury. It's just I have so much more flexibility and function in my hand that I know I wouldn't have had if I wasn't coming here and if Wong wasn't working on my arm and my wrist. Coming here was just a really positive experience. I've gotten the one-on-one service that any patient wants from their therapist, and it's really helped me improve my flexibility and the function in my arm.
There is anything else that you want to add?
Wong is really fun to talk to. I waited so long to come here because I wanted to go to a place that would take my insurance and wasn't too expensive, but ultimately, it's better that I came here. Wong is so professional yet so personable. You're definitely getting the care here that you're paying for. It's definitely worth it. For anyone who is hesitant about coming here, it's worth the drive if there's a drive, and it's worth the cost if insurance isn't covering it, because I live an hour away, and if I ever need something for my hand, I'm gonna drive here to see Wong, because it's just been, I've had progress that I would not have had I not been coming here. When I leave here, my hand feels amazing, the flexibility that I have. For the one-on-one therapy you get here, and besides that, it's probably the only medical appointment that I look forward to going to, just because Wong and the staff make you feel great, and you're also really getting what they told you you'd be getting, if not more.